I'm going to show you how you can change and publish your new Shopify theme. But the first thing you need to do is go to our web browser and you want to sign into your Shopify account. Once you're signed in, you want to click on the online store tab just on the left hand side menu. You will then be taken to the themes tab and it will look something like this. So if we scroll down slightly to our theme library, here it will give you a list of all of your installed themes to your Shopify account. If we scroll down even more, here you can see the popular themes that are free. And if you go ahead and click on visit the theme store, you can go ahead and browse through all of the free themes that Shopify offers. If you want to add a new theme to your account, you want to click on the add button and it will add it to your themes library. So to publish our new theme so our customers can see it, all we need to do is scroll down to our theme library and you want to click on the publish button next to the theme you want to, publish. After a few seconds, this will load and your front end will then update to the new theme. Your new theme will be highlighted at the top and it will also say your current theme here. And if you want, you can go ahead and customize it using the customize button next to it. And that's it. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as I can.